Welcome to the first practice of our 6-part series. Before we get started, if you haven't yet, please check out the introduction video about this 6-part yoga series, as its intention and layout are pretty unique. Today's practice is a gentle seated Hatha practice to help open your body in preparation of what is ahead in the future practices of this series. I don't use any props in this video, but we will be sitting in a cross-legged seated position for about 8 minutes, so a pillow may be helpful to sit up on to invite ease into your hips. I'll join you seated on the mat. We'll begin our journey together in a cross-legged seated position. So as just mentioned, use a pillow or yoga bolster if needed. Let's roll those shoulder heads up and back, finding length in your spine. Hands relax wherever is comfortable, and close your eyes if it feels safe. Draw your attention to your breath, to your body. Feeling yourself arrive in this moment in body, mind, and spirit. Letting go of things from the day and letting go of anything that is ahead. Just being here now in this moment on the mat. Soft smile upon your face. And on your next exhale, mirroring me, lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. Option to spider your left fingertips off to the side and maybe back in space a little. Breathing as you hold. On your next inhale, we'll slowly draw a line with your chin towards the sky. Feel the stretch travel towards the front left side of your neck. And let's slowly draw a line with your chin down towards your shoulder. Again, feeling into the sensations of opening in your neck, traveling towards the back left side of your neck. Pausing once lowered, nourishing breath. And we'll slowly lift your chin up to center. Bring your left hand in, and then slowly circle your chin down towards your chest. We'll pause at the bottom, and then lift up to center. Soft smile upon your face. So on your exhale, keeping shoulders square, lower your left ear to your left shoulder. Option to explore spidering your right fingertips off to the side. And on your next inhale, we'll slowly draw a line with your chin towards the sky. And let's slowly draw a line with your chin down towards your shoulder. Again, feeling into the sensations of the opening in your neck. Pausing once lowered, nourishing breath. Slowly lift your chin, bring your right hand in, and then slowly circle your chin down towards your chest. Pause at the bottom, and this time let's interlace your fingers at the base of your skull, then allow your elbows to fall in towards one another. No pulling, just letting gravity take hold. Now on your in-breath, we'll slowly begin to lift, elbows opening wide side to side as you lift your heart. Beautiful. Soften and fan your arms down. Let's give those side bodies some love. Then mirroring me, lower your right palm to the mat, opposite arm reaches up and over to the right side. We'll use your next in-breath to lift you up to center and take your side body stretch over to the second side. Our first yoga dance coming up, so taking a few more side body stretches side to side. Fanning from one side to the next at your own feel-good pace. Option to close your eyes and go within as you beautifully flow, syncing your breath with the movement. The next time your right palm is lowered to the mat, pause and hold it there. On the exhale, slowly fan that arm down. Once fingertips touch the mat, go ahead and inhale, lift them and fan them right back up. Fan your arm as far back as is calling to your body. Before you exhale to fan it back down. Take this a few more times at your own feel-good pace. Sits bones grounded. The next time your fingertips are lowered to the mat, pause and hold it there. Then slide your right palm forward, stacking your left on top of the right. Then press away through your left side body. As from here, we're going to walk your palms towards the opposite side of the mat. We're coming into a twist. So slowly roll up, bring one hand behind you and one to your knee. Now with your hands holding your knee, sweep the opposite arm up and over towards the opposite front corner of the mat. Sits bones grounded. Then we'll slowly fan your arm back down into the twist. Then let's take a big breath in, sweeping your fingertips up to the sky. We'll ground down through your right sits bone and lower your left palm to the mat, to that side body stretch. Take your side body stretch over to the second side. Let's take those few feel-good rounds of side body stretches side to side on your own. Option to close your eyes to help feel your body in this yoga dance. The next time your left palm is lowered to the mat, we'll pause, hold it there, opening the right side body, and then thinking up and over with those right fingertips. On the exhale, slowly fan that arm down. Inhale to fan your arm back up. Take this a few more times at your own feel-good pace, keeping those sits bones grounded. Maybe closing your eyes to feel deeper into your body. The next time your fingertips are lowered to the mat, we'll pause there. Then slide your back palm forward, stacking your front on top. And then press away to that right side body. Chest yearns towards the mat. Beautiful. Reaching away, slowly walk your palms to the opposite side. We're coming into that twist. So slowly roll up, one hand to knee, one hand behind. With your hand grasping your knee, sweep that opposite arm up and over. Take your gaze under your arm. Then slowly fan your arm back down into the twist. Big breath in, sweep your fingertips up to the sky at center. And exhalation to slowly fan them down. Let's bring one hand to each of your knees. And on your exhale, begin to round back in your spine, chin to chest. And with sits bones anchored to the earth, begin to draw circles with your torso, as big or as small as calling to your body. Breathing in as you circle forward, reaching your heart, and exhaling as you circle back, rounding out, going at your own feel-good pace. Let's switch directions of your circles, closing your eyes if you like, accentuating the movement to really get into and feel it out. Slowly find stillness at center, and then we'll extend your right leg out long. Opposite sole of foot to your inner thigh, hips squared over the extended leg, foot is flexed. Breathe in, find length, and exhale, hinge and wave your spine forward. Breathe in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, hinge at your hips and wave your spine forward. Good, take this a few more times on your own, getting lost in your own feel-good rhythm. Then the next time you rise, we'll move into baby wild thing. So left fingertips behind you, opposite reaches forward, up and back as you press and lift your hips. Exhalation to lower your seat to the mat as you fold forward. And then rise. Bring your left sole of foot to the outside of the opposite thigh. We're moving into a twist again. So wrap your right arm around your knee, opposite hand near your seat. Let's unwind, taking seated pigeon pose. So bring your right sole of foot to the mat. Long spine, left foot is flexed, knee is energetically pressing away to the space in front of you. A great pose to take note of where your body falls now so you can see how it progresses and opens as we return to this pose with each practice. Good. Go and extend that right leg long, and then your left, staff pose, waking up your core, arms at your side. Reach up through the crown of your head, lower belly ferns up and in with your exhales, navel draw back to spine. Beautiful. Let's take that sequence to the second side. Bring your right sole foot to your inner thigh. Breathe in, find length, and exhale, hinge and wave your spine forward. Breathe in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, hinge at your hips and wave your spine forward. Taking that a few more times on your own, finding your own rhythm, getting lost in your own flow. The next time you rise, bring your right fingertips behind you, opposite reaches forward, up and back as you press and lift your hips up towards the sky, fingertips reaching away, baby wild thing. Exhalation to lower your seat to the mat, opposite fingertips reach towards your toes. And rise. Place your right sole foot to the outside of your thigh, wrap your left arm around your knee or take the elbow to the outside. Let's unwind. Bring your left sole foot to the mat for our seated pigeon. Let's keep a nice long spine as you hold. Noticing any difference in flexibility on your right and left side. Noticing if and how this changes each time we move into this pose with each practice. We'll soften and bring your soles of feet to kiss for butterfly pose, holding on to wherever is accessible and feels good in your body today. Exploring your shins, your ankles, or your feet, and then maintain a nice flat back as you begin to draw circles with your torso, massaging into those hip joints. Get lost in the feel-good sensations of the movement you are providing your body. Enjoy, my friend. We'll switch directions of your circles. Allow yourself to truly experience what it feels like to flow your breath with the movement. I don't know if you've noticed in this video, but there have been so many beautiful little butterflies fluttering in and out, so delicate. Go ahead and find stillness at center, just round forward. We'll slowly roll up and make your way to hands and knees to prepare to move into wide knees child's pose. We'll bring your big toes to kiss, knees open as wide as feels good in your body today, noticing if there has been any advancements in your body's openness and flexibility with taking this same opening flow with the same poses, helping you to develop a deeper connection with your body. Torso melts through center, fingertips reaching away, forehead grounded and connected to the earth. Smooth, nourishing breaths in our final moments. We'll tuck chin to chest and roll up. Make your way to a comfortable cross-legged seated position. Find that beautiful, vibrant, long spine of yours. Hands relaxed wherever is comfortable. Eyes gently closed. A soft smile upon your face. Take a moment to notice how you feel now in body, mind, and spirit compared to when we first joined together on the mat. Thank yourself for carving out this self-care time to tend to your body and cultivate a deeper mind-body connection on the mat to help you carry this with yourself off the mat and into your everyday. Let's take a big, beautiful breath in, circling your fingertips up to the sky, gathering love and light. Palms kiss, and bring all that love and light down to heart center. We'll raise prayer to your forehead, setting an intention to stay present and mindful of our thoughts of ourselves and thoughts of others. Prayer lowers to your mouth, setting an intention to stay present and mindful as you nourish your body. Hands lower to prayer at heart center, setting an intention to stay present and mindful of our actions, acting in love and kindness. Let's each set one final personal healthy living intention for our day ahead, whether it be simply one word, one statement, or a few thoughtful sentences. Sending love and light to you and all beings. Namaste. I'd love for us to come together as a community to support one another by leaving a comment below, whether that be a supportive word, the intention you set for your day, or letting us know where you're practicing from and sending love. Each time you return to this practice, feel free to share one more love and supporting comment below. In the second practice, you can look forward to continuing our Hatha yoga vibes and advancing into poses, yoga dances from our tabletop position. If you're not yet an awakened member, consider this your personal invitation to join our community and continue the series of getting lost in the flow of your body. There is a 14-day free trial so you can try it out and see if it is a good fit for you, for your body, for your lifestyle. I hope to see you there, my friend.